On the docket today, we got a great card, no annual fee card as well from Bank of America. Stay tuned and see exactly what that card is. So sit back, get your popcorn ready, and cue the intro. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy LaJuan back at it again with another video, and today we are going to be going over the B of A Cash Rewards credit card. If you're new to my channel, I do go over personal finance, credit cards, business credit, all that good stuff. So if that interests you in any way, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and go ahead and hit that bell for notifications as well, so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. And while you're down there, go ahead and like this video up, turn that like notification blue so YouTube knows this video is awesome. So like I said, guys, we will be going over the BOA Cash Rewards. This is a great card. It doesn't get talked about enough. In my opinion, it's one of these cards that are slept on very much in the credit card market, but rest assured, I'm gonna go ahead and bring some light to this card here in this video. So if you watch any of my videos, especially credit card reviews, I like to start off with the sign up bonus and we work our way down from there. So going ahead and starting off with the sign up bonus on this card is going to be a $200 cashback offer after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. All right, so think of it in investing terms as a 20% return on your money. All right, so that is a great return, guys. $200 cashback, that's right up there towards the upper echelon of credit card offers for sign-up bonuses. So you're getting a premium value with this on the on the sign-up offer with that. All right, next with this on the sign-up offer, you will get a 0% APR offer on your purchases, as well as balances transferred to the card in the first 15 months. All right, so exactly 15 months that you have to utilize that aspect of the sign-up bonus. Just like I said in other videos, guys, just be careful with the 0% APR. If you're not paying off the balance every single month, just be careful and know that in 15 months you will have interest accruing on those charges. So I don't recommend you doing that unless you got some home improvement stuff going on, or you just got big purchases that you're going to be paying off and you just want to utilize that 0% APR. Then by all means, go right ahead with that. But otherwise, I don't recommend doing that, because again, if you're paying interest, you're just defeating the game of this credit card point system. All right, and like I said earlier, guys, there's no annual fee with this card, so that is great. That's what you want, especially with these keeper cards, beginner cards, things like that. You want no annual fees, guys, so you can keep this in your rotation without any maintenance or anything like that. All right, so next we are going to go ahead and get into the multipliers for this card. Now this card has what they call a 3-2-1 setup. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and explain that, kind of break it down. So basically, the 3 is going to be the 3%. Usually, in most cases, it's kind of like a rotating thing, or whatever. It could not be rotating, but usually it is. And then your 2% is going to be the mid tier. Your 1% is always going to be on everything that you purchase on the card. All right, that's kind of standard credit card territory. So with this BOA Cash Rewards cards, guys, you will be getting a 3% category. It's you can kind of pick and see what you want. So the options are going to be gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, and home improvement stores. All right, so a plethora of options for you to pick from. And the good thing about this card, guys, you can change it to your spending needs. If 1 month you have online shopping going on, or some heavy online shopping, you can go ahead and change that the month prior to online shopping, so that you can get that 3% category. And then if the next month you're going to be doing a lot of driving, you can switch it over to gas. However you want to do it to maximize your spending, you can't switch that every single month. All right, and then the next category is going to be the 2% category, and that is going to be your grocery stores and your wholesale clubs. All right, now one little caveat I want to mention with this card, they kind of been going back and forth with the payment processing of this card. It used to be Visa for a long time, then they kind of switched to MasterCard. Now they're back to using Visa. So if you sign up for the card now, you will be getting a Visa version of the card. At least at the making of this video, they're doing the Visa right now. Me personally, when I got this card, I have the MasterCard version of it. So again, like I said, they kind of switch back and forth. But again, with this 2% category, guys, if you shop at wholesale clubs, Sam's Club, Costco, those type of places, usually they take Visa only. So if you have the Visa version of this card, you can take advantage of that 2% category at those wholesale clubs, especially with getting gas and stuff like that. So that's a good little thing to do if you have the Visa version and your wholesale club does take Visa, all right? And then 1% on everything else, which is standard credit card territory, nothing new there. Again, guys, this is a great starter card. I cannot express that enough. If you're new to credit, or this is one of your first credit cards, and maybe you had a secured card coming out and now you're trying to get into some upper echelon cards, this is a good one to go ahead and start with, because it kind of gets your feet wet with how rewards work in the reward system and tiers and multipliers and stuff like that. So this is a very good card to start with, in my opinion. So now I want to go ahead and touch on some of the other credits and multipliers and whatever benefits that the card has. For this particular card with the BOA Cash Rewards, guys, they have a neat little feature here. It's called the Preferred Rewards Program. Now, what this is basically it's a tier system based on how much funds you have with the bank, all right? So in this case, it's going to be Bank of America. And if you have, or if you bank with them, it starts at $20,000. If you have that available with Bank of America, you're going to be in the gold tier, all right? So then moving up from there, if you're at 50,000, you'll be the platinum tier. And then if you have 100,000 with Bank of America, you will be at the platinum honors, all right? So one little thing with that, guys, those amounts could be just in your checking your savings account, or it can be in your investing accounts or brokerage accounts with Bank of America. So however that you have it, that's how that works, all right? Now, as far as the tier system and how it affects you as far as this credit card is concerned, with the gold, guys, if you're in that gold tier, you will get a 25% boost on your multipliers. If you have the platinum, it'll be a 50% boost. And if you have the platinum honors, it'll be a 70% boost. All right. So basically how that will work as far as the tiers are concerned, and with the cash back, you will get 5.25% cash back with platinum honors on your 3% categories. And then on the 2% categories, you will be getting 3.5% cash back with platinum honors, and 1.75% cash back on the 1% category with the platinum honors, guys. So those are very good tier bumpers right there. You're looking at being in really kind of top credit card category as far as rewards and multipliers are concerned. If you're a platinum honors member, even if you're in the platinum category, you're getting a nice little boost to your rewards, all right? So do just know that if you bank with Bank of America, you have any one of those fund tiers available, or in investment accounts, however you have it, just go ahead and make sure that you sign up for, or make sure you're in the Preferred Rewards Program if you have this card, so you're not missing out on these elevated boosts that you get on Cash Rewards credit card, all right? But yeah, my final thoughts on this card, guys, like I've been saying throughout this whole entire video, this is a slept on card. I think it's a very good card, again, especially if you are a beginner to credit, or if you just getting into credit, maybe this is your second or third card. I think this is a great card to get your feet wet with rewards and how multipliers work. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Please go ahead and like this video if you liked everything that I presented to you today. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. Stay safe out there, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and check out of here. Peace.